Hi, I'm Dave with Moov Pool Products. Today we're going to show you how to start up your Moov VSP. To start your Moov VSP, begin by unlocking the screen with a long press on the lock button. Once the screen is unlocked, press the power button. The pump will begin self-priming mode, counting down from 1500 seconds. Once the pump basket has filled itself full of water, you can manually exit self-priming mode by pressing the lock button again. To enter backwash mode on your Moov VSP, ensure the screen is unlocked. Once the screen is unlocked, simply press the lock button to enter backwash mode. Backwash mode will run at maximum capacity and count down from 180 seconds. To manually exit backwash mode, simply press down on the lock button until backwash mode stops.